on this week's Medical Weight Loss Clinic Minute, a conversation with our staff nutritionist.
Did you know that new research shows that the key to weight loss is not about the approach or the diet, but rather about how that plan can be customized to fit your lifestyle? Here at Medical Weight Loss Clinic, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all. That's why all of our programs are customized and personalized to ensure your long-term success. I'm here at the Saginaw Clinic with Krista. Krista is one of our nutritionists. Thanks for being with me, Krista.
Thanks for having me, Tracy.
I gotta say, Krista, from a nutritional standpoint, what do you feel is one of the most important service options offered by Medical Weight Loss Clinic?
Well, the biggest service that we provide is the individual counseling. That way our patients get support based off their own personal needs. We also offer a variety of programs for different medical conditions and lifestyles. That way we really can customize a program for them.
Customizing when you've got a medical condition is really key, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
What do you enjoy most about working at Medical Weight Loss Clinic?
Well, I personally love explaining the important role that food plays in everybody's overall health, not even just for their weight loss. At the same time, it's rewarding being able to watch their transformation while they're with us and know that we are making a big difference in their lives.
What are your thoughts on our nutritional plans?
I like that we use real grocery store food to help teach proper portion sizes and how to prepare foods in a different manner. That way this all becomes more about developing healthier lifestyle changes and not just dieting.
Yeah, it's that grocery store food base that really makes the difference in learning long-term eating habits.
Absolutely.
Getting started on your nutritional plan is as easy as calling 1-800-GET-SLIM or visit our website at mwlc.com.